What's up, metal art fanatics? I got this beautiful piece of laser cut steel behind me because I'm gonna split it into threes and we're gonna make some toilet paper holders for my bathroom in the new house. You're gonna see so many different tools and how they all go into making an awesome piece of art. Let's do this thing, come on. I'm gonna need 4 magical tools, count them 4, to make this simple, beautiful project happen. 1, the chop saw. 2, the grinder. 3, my favorite welder, Little Betty. And 4, my mitts. I have made the wife happy. I have an amazing, awesome, very simple, very easy, probably took me about 20 minutes to make, beautiful toilet paper roll holder. And I am good to go, and I have completed my mission for today. So I hope you guys dug it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to share with all of your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time here in the Doren Metal Art Workshop. Bye-bye.